Introducing the revolutionary Kolver K1 Torque Tester, the ultimate tool for precise torque analysis. With its built-in transducer, external transducer compatibility, and high-performance circuitry, the K1 Torque Tester is the perfect solution for businesses seeking to enhance product quality through accurate torque control. Its outstanding price point makes it an accessible choice for companies of all sizes. The K1 Torque Tester offers a wide torque range of 0.4 to 8.8 inch-pounds with multiple measurement units. It can measure torque in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, making it suitable for various applications. The overload protection feature ensures safe operation even in demanding conditions. Elevate your torque analysis capabilities with the Kolver K1 Torque Tester. Invest in precision, reliability, and affordability today. Visit Flexible Assembly.com to learn more and experience the benefits firsthand.